Le Transperceneige is a post-apocalyptic French graphic novel created by Jacques Lob and Jean-Marc Rochette and published by Casterman. The graphic novel was first published in 1982 under the title Le Transperceneige and later retitled The Escape. The series was continued in 2 volumes by writer Benjamin Legrand, replacing Jacques Lob, with The Explorers published in 1999 and The Crossing in 2000. A 4th volume, Terminus, was written by Olivier Bocquet and published in 2015 as a conclusion to the series. An English translation was released in 2014 by Titan Comics, consisting of 2 volumes, Snowpiercer, The Escape and Snowpiercer, The Explorers. A 3rd volume, Terminus, was released in 2016, followed by a prequel series in 2019. After an environmental catastrophe induces an ice age, humanity occupies a 1001-car train called the Snowpiercer. As the story begins, a man named Prolof is quarantined after escaping from the rearmost cars and is joined by a woman named Adeline Belleau, herself part of a movement to integrate the members of the back railway cars, who live in squalid conditions, into the rest of the train. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.